Guys, welcome back to my channel. Another great episode of some stovetop yum yum. Today, I'm going to teach you an easy, the freshest house special fried rice you've ever had. So this episode starts right now. To my channel, you guys. So today, as I mentioned, I'm going to teach you how to make at home some house special fried rice. It's a little you have to gather your ingredients, and it's not hard at all to make. My rice is pre-made. I actually make my rice yellow because I just love everything beautiful. So you'll see how beautiful the fried rice will be when I'm done. So let's go to the ingredients and check them out. Okay guys, here are the ingredients for our house special fried rice, my version of it. We have 2 tablespoons of cilantro. As you can see, I have 3 green onions, and I split the greens with the white because I'm going to use some of the greens to garnish. I've got delicious cubed sweet ham that I cubed myself, half a yellow onion because I love flavor, half a green pepper, 2 nice sized garlic cloves, 4 eggs. I've got about 30, no not 30, I have like 20 medium shrimp in there. I have a teaspoon of ginger and a tablespoon of Housain sauce with some rice vinegar in these delicious pork loin chunks, which are also going to go into our fried rice. I have some bean sprouts, and I have a little bag of mixed vegetables. So let's get to the stove, you guys, and let's get cooking. I'm at the stove. I have my beautiful little, not really a wok, but my big pan that I love so much. I'm going to lower my camera now and show you. First thing we're going to do, we're building layers now, you guys. This is pork loin. This is 4 small steaks of pork loin. I have 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar in here, 1 tablespoon of Housain sauce, which I showed you in the ingredients, this right here. And I also have a teaspoon of ground ginger. So that's the first thing we're going to throw in our pot, you guys. So let me move this baby over here. I already have it pretty hot. So we are going to drop it in here. I'm going to grab my spatula. Let me lower that for you. See that big humongous pot I have there? Let me back this up so you can see it better. Can you see it better there? Okay. I'm back at the stove again. Look at how beautiful this is. Our little pork chunks with our Housain sauce, a little bit of Housain sauce, rice vinegar. Now I have half a teaspoon of sesame oil in here. God, it smells good in here. And I also have like maybe 3 drops of fish sauce. Remember, that's really potent, like I mentioned when I made my Chinese takeout. So be really careful with that. And our green onions. I'm a flavor girl, so I need it. I need onions, I need garlic, I need fresh bell peppers. Oh my God. And we're just going to let this sweat a little bit. We're going to add, oh, it smells so good. That sesame and that fish oil. Oh my God, it smells so delicious. We mentioned it next. I've got 4 eggs beaten in here with 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. You wonder why I use heavy cream. Heavy cream makes your eggs so silky and shiny and beautiful and so delicious, you guys. Oh my God, this is beautiful, you guys. I'll have the ingredients, of course, in the drop-down menu as always. And please make sure that you visit my blog at www.stovetopyumyum.com. I have it right here, written down. And you can find all my recipes. I just updated my blog. I hope you guys like my blog. And all the recipes are in there. All the videos are in there. So it's kind of like a one place to go to for everything. So if you missed a video, you can check on the recipe drop down. And each recipe has the ingredients that you need and the instructions, which is the YouTube video, which I have linked inside each page of my blog. Okay, so now we can go ahead and let's throw our garlic in first before we go and come back. Okay, so now put our garlic in there. Now what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to put probably a small splash of soy sauce. So the salt in the soy sauce will sweat our onion. When I come back, we are going to assemble. Our eggs will be ready. Our shrimp will be ready in here with our vegetables. And then we will put our rice in it. I'll show you how I mix it. And you guys, this stuff is delicious. This stuff is so delicious. This is the freshest, my version of the freshest, tastiest house fried rice. You never ever get fried rice like this at a takeout. And it's so easy to make. So stay with me, you guys. I'll be right back. Back for a second again. I just want to show you. Look at this, you guys. You got to keep beating it so we can make it uniform, so we can make small little pieces so we don't have huge chunks in our fried rice. Look at how shiny and beautiful those eggs are with that tablespoon of heavy cream. Alright, so I'm taking it off the stove now because I don't want to overcook that either. When I come back, I'm putting my veggies in the pot. We're getting our rice. We are going to prepare, and you guys, my favorite part, I'm going to taste. You guys, you don't want to miss this. I will be right back. Guys, I'm back, and look at how easy this was. Look at this, you guys. Let me move this. I have my yellow rice in there. Look at that. I have a handful of bean sprouts, my vegetables. Now the sweet ham I throw in at the last minute because I don't want to fry it. I just want to heat it up. Oh my God, this is beautiful, you guys. I haven't even put the rice in yet. Oh my goodness. So the only thing missing right now is the rice and the soy sauce. Alright, so here we go. Keep in mind, I made the rice only with a tiny bit of oil and some yellow coloring to make yellow rice. No salt, you guys. Because remember, we have soy sauce we're using. Oh my God, look at this. Are you guys seeing this? This is just for me and my husband. So if you're watching this video and you work with me, you are in luck. I'm taking house special fried rice for lunch tomorrow. Alright. Now we're going to start. Now I'm going to start. I'm going to leave the camera down so you can see. Now all I have left here are the green part of my onion to garnish. And I have some crispy chow mein noodles. Crispy. Okay. Let me grab the rice. Look at that, you guys. Look at that beautiful, oh my God, let me move this a little bit over here, sorry. Hang on, look at this beautiful yellow rice. Let me pour that in there. Okay, we're close. Let me give you a close-up, please. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God, it smells so delicious in here. It's time to plate and taste. Oh my God. Oh my God, my forehead is sweating. That's how much my mouth is watering. You know, I'm crazy. Oh my God. I just can't. Oh my God. Let me try this. You guys, if you love this video, I'm going to post it on my social media platform. Make sure you share it with your friends so everyone can take advantage of this delicious, oh my God. All right, guys, I've got some crispy chow mein noodles to garnish. And I've got a few green onions. You guys, please. Watch. Look at that, you guys. You guys, please. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my God. So now I'm going to try it. Excuse me, I'm going to try it now. Oh my God, it smells so good in here. Oh my God. Okay, here we go, guys. My little crispy noodle. My little green onion. Here goes nothing. Oh my God. I wish I had smell-o-vision so you could smell in here. Oh my God. It's hot. Oh my God. Please. Wait a minute. Oh my God. It is the freshest fried rice I've had in my life. And how beautiful is that color? I made it with yellow rice. You can make it with white rice if you'd like. You can even make it, you guys, with brown rice. This will be delicious. I've made it with brown rice. So now, keep in mind I didn't saute the ham. I threw it in at the end because I didn't want to fry the ham or anything. I just want to warm it up in there with the rice. The same way when you buy Chinese takeout, that's how the ham is. But there's something very important that I have to do right now, and that's try it again just to make sure. Hold on a second. Oh my God. Let me grab a shrimp this time. Got everything in here. Everything but the kitchen sink. No, wait, I can't grab shrimp and meat. It's too much. All right, got everything in there. Look at that. Veggies, chow mein, crispy noodles, shrimp. Here we go. Oh, you guys, listen. This shrimp is cooked so perfect. You do not want rubbery shrimp. When you see it pale like that, when you're cooking it on low, when you throw your pork in, don't worry about it. The rice, the heating up with the rice and the mixing will finish cooking it so perfectly cooked. You guys, this fried rice, I'm sorry you guys. It just makes me want to dance. Oh my God, so delicious. I cannot wait for you guys to try this. I promise you will love this. So remember you guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you've already subscribed, thank you. And if you haven't, feel free to subscribe. But don't forget the notification bell. That'll notify you every time I have a new video, which will be often, so that way you don't miss out. And for those of you that know me already, as always, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I'll be back and I'll see you then. Bye.